Pipilitin na lang natin kasi sayang yung pagkakataon eh. Sayang yung pinaghirapan namin nandito. So, kahit alam mo yung masakit yung paa, namamaga, laban na lang. So, yun, nabawi naman. Sulit yung sacrifice natin.
At dahil sulit ang sacrifice, Rodney, pagkakataong bumate, magpasalamat sa iyong mga mahal sa buhay, and especially the San Miguel fans who are here tonight.
Sige. Siyempre, unang pinabati ko yung family ko, yung mga taga-Paho, Baisa, Boss Jeff, Boss Ali, Ninong Dondon, Ninong Benben, si Ninong Bong Nunyo, and siyempre yung wife ko, yung dalawang anak, and siyempre yung buong San Miguel fans, maraming salamat sa inyo. Sobrang thank you talaga sa inyo. Naramdaman namin yung suporta ninyo, maraming salamat. God bless, and siyempre kay Edwin Buko at saka Itlog daw.
Maraming salamat, Rodney. Now, Belle, sino naman ang kasama mo?
Apple, kasama ko ngayon si Don Roliano. Don, congratulations! Noong mga nakaraang laro, sinasabi mo kung gaano kasakit yung kamay mo. Kita naman natin na wrap pa siya. Pero pag-usapan mo naman yung mga paghihirap para makuha mo itong matamis na kampyonato.
For us kasi, last like 6 games, so kahit gaano kasakit, tiniis ko na lang para makuha yung panalo to, and it's so worth it. Yeah, ako namin.
Nakikita natin yung family mo cheering for you. Go ahead and greet them, Don.
Hindi, unang-una, pinapasalamatan ko lahat ng fans ng ESMB na sumuporta sa amin dito. Na walang sawang sumusuporta. Maraming salamat para sa inyo to. And sa family ko na walang sawang sumuporta sa akin. My kids, my wife. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much, Don. Congratulations once again.
And now we'll get a chance to talk to Chris Ross. Chris, what is running in your mind right now? You seem quiet, a bit serious. Just share some of your thoughts.
I mean, we just won the championship, but my son, he's in a bad mood right now, so I'm in daddy mode right after the championship. So, but I got all these emotions built up inside of me. My mom is finally here to witness a championship. I got my son here with me. Oh, but I'm glad we got it over with because that's a tough team. All credit to Talking Tex, but my guys, San Miguel, and all the fans, we pulled it out. So thank you to all the fans that came and supported. We really appreciate y'all.
Any more greetings you want to send out, Chris?
My lady, she's in New York. I know she's watching. She might be tired. Me and your son miss you. We'll see you soon. And all my family back in the States watching, and all my family here watching. All the fans, my boy Gabe up there. I wouldn't be in the PBA if it wasn't for Gabe. So shout out to Gabe. And yeah, my teammates, Boss Al, Boss RSA, my teammates, my mom, everyone. Thank you for everything.
Thank you so much, Chris. Now back to you, Belle.
Thank you, Apple. At this point, we are with Jericho Cruz and, of course, his very proud kids. Jericho, congratulations. How different is this title compared to the previous one? Ano ba yung mga pagkakaiba? How sweeter is it this time around?
Well, credit sa Talking Tex kasi magandang laban yung binigay sa amin eh. And gusto ko lang shout out si Rodney for coming through this finals. Kasi kung wala yung mga rebound na seaman niya, wala kami ngayon dito eh. So shout out sa iyo, brother Rodney. Shout out din kay Don. Tsaka sa mga teammates ko dyan, lahat-lahat kami talagang it's a full effort sa amin ngayong game na to. And buong series talagang ang dami namin nararamdaman na injuries eh. So I'm just happy na naitawid namin, nandito na kami ngayon, and we can call ourselves once again a champ. Let's go, SMB! Thank you din sa mga haters namin. Good night!
Thank you very much, Jericho. Back to you, Apple.
Ngayon naman nakasama natin CJ Perez. CJ, sa series na to, alam nyo, iba't iba yung nag-step up. Sometimes it's a starter, sometimes nandyan yung bench. Anong masasabi mo sa championship na to, lalo na winning the Philippine Cup back-to-back?
We're just so happy na lahat nag-contribute, lahat nagtulungan. Talagang
binigay namin yung best namin every game. We have our down moments, pero yun, talagang bumabawi lang kami. And yeah, we thank God for this. Yeah.
CJ, alam ko mahaba ang listahan ng gusto mong batiin at pasalamatan. Simulan mo na.
First of all, papasalamat ako kay Boss Arise, kay Boss Al sa pag-backup lagi sa amin, pagpapalakas ng loob namin sa every game. SMB fans, maraming salamat sa inyo, mga ka-TPC. PBA fans, maraming salamat. TMG, Uncle Bully, IV Vitamins, yung mga tumutulong sa akin sa recoveries ko. Ayun, family ko sa Nueva Ecija, sa wife ko, of course. Thank you lagi sa support. Family ko sa Pangasinan, mama ko sa Canada. And these kids, my inspirations.